You won't believe what I just discovered. I just discovered something so game-changing, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I'm not just clickbaiting you. I am very genuine right now. Like, this shook my world yesterday. I have had an issue for so many years that I was drawing something for like 10 hours and I didn't enjoy the drawing because it took so much, and then it didn't even like the final result, which obviously doesn't really add up. And I was thinking, like, why could it be? And I never thought it could be because of this one thing. Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to reveal a secret, and I know you really want to hear it by now. So the secret is you need to stop zooming in. I just tried that yesterday, and it's only because I wanted to do like 3 little drawings on one piece. So I thought, I can't do it too detailed because it's going to take me like 30 hours. So I didn't zoom in too much. And I drew this drawing right here in 1 hour 20. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I love everything about it. And I drew this drawing for like 10 hours literally, because you can check it on Procreate. And I hated drawing it. I hated the result. Like, I can't look at this drawing because it's so ugly to me, you know. And this took me 1 hour 20. I loved the process. I love the final result, and it's just because I was not zooming in like an idiot. And actually, I am an idiot. Why? Because I told you guys in my old videos years ago to not zoom in because it destroys the whole perception of the drawing. What was I doing? I was zooming in all the time. I don't listen to myself. I'm an ass for this, you know? Anyway, I'll also show you a time-lapse. Take a look at this time-lapse. I drew this for 9 hours, and I was so focused on the little things that don't even matter. I didn't focus on the contrast and the composition as much. Did a little bit, but when you zoom in all the time, you see only the details. You can't focus on the contrast and the composition and the dynamics good enough, which should be obvious, and I should know that. The curse that comes with digital drawing, which should be making everything easier, is the fact that you can zoom in way too easily and you do it way too much. It seems easy and it seems to be helping, but it's really not. The whole thing about drawing from the far is you control the way it looks like all the time. You know the outcome, and when you zoom in, you lose everything. Like, you know what the particular detail is doing, but not the whole drawing. You can use a reference, but I feel like drawing just from the same perspective all the time will work way better. So as you can see, I am not zooming in. Sometimes, like a little bit, a tiny bit, it's okay. But really keep in mind to not zoom in too much. I just try to work everything out, like the whole composition, which I did already. But when it came to the details, I was zooming in a lot. And you can do the details from the far. It's actually better because you can see what kind of effect it has on the whole drawing, because a little detail actually has this effect on the whole drawing, not only this little part of the drawing. It helps you with working with whole pieces of color, pieces, like whole parts together. And I felt like blending, like shapes were so much easier to make. Also, while using a reference, right now you can't see that I'm using a reference, but off camera I was kind of not zooming in. I was changing the whole what I saw. So I saw the Emily picture, so I could take a reference. And you can see me adding some details right now, and they are kind of wobbly, but I don't care. Like, it doesn't matter. Wobbly lines sometimes even look better than the perfect smooth lines that you want to make, that every artist wants to make all the time. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope I changed something in your life, because this information honestly changed my life so far. For 48 hours I have been enjoying drawing like I haven't for like years, which is actually so amazing, and it's so crazy. And I hope it can have the same influence on you. Don't zoom in. Draw like on normal paper, yeah? Okay, peace out. If you want to see my face once again, make sure to subscribe. If you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to get my amazing brushes, make sure to go to aliziaprince.com, that's where you can get it. And I'll see you in the next one. Destroy the like button for me if you like this video. Okay, bye!